to this week's weekly review. Okay, so we have a new development on the reviews, and that is that the fact that we're going to be having the VIP sessions regularly now henceforth, of which not every pair is for the free channel. Okay, this weekly analysis is for the free channel, is for the free community, and everyone on YouTube, Facebook, whatever platforms we're using, Telegram or WhatsApp, every social media platform that we use, both X and TikTok, is expected to have access to all of this, and whereby our VIP community is expected to have access to our VIP pairs. Okay, so because of that, henceforth we're going to have just GU on the weekly review and weekly analysis, GU and GJ. GU is GBP USD and GJ is GBP JPY. Okay, and then for the synthetics, we're going to have volatility 25 and jump 25. So quickly, this is what we had for GU in the course of the week. Okay, so for the first day opening of the week, this was the entry I spotted, though I did not execute this entry. I saw it coming, but somehow I think my system was not on and I missed that particular entry. And the same thing repeated itself again on the second day. Second day onwards, I was expecting the retracement, and all of a sudden the candles began to move. But there is no FOMO, and we do not chase candles, rather we wait for another opportunity for us to maximize our gains and our profits. So the next day I got this entry, of which when price got to this point, being that we were counter trading, I decided to exit on partial. So that was a profitable one for me. I know most of you in the community, I didn't really give you updates. I said, okay, take the loss if it's a loss, for a recovery entry was going to come. I know some of you took quite some losses on that, okay, of which we posted this, and there was another loss. So it was 2 pips loss, 20 pips, 20 pips, which is 40 pips. And this one hit take profits, and gave us the profits, though I told the community to exit when price was dancing here very close to take profit, and a lot of you exited. So this was 31, this was 28 pips profit, leaving us to a balance of 12 pips, of which we caught that 12 pips here. Okay, and that means we were able to end the week not much with much profit, but at least we left the week without having any loss. So we're looking out for a greater week. So we have just about 4 pips profit in this week, and we're looking out for more profits in the next week. For me, I have from this point, I caught from here, I caught from here to here, which is about 20 pips, and I had this 20 pips loss, so let's say 0 pips here. And then I caught this one here. This one is about 20 pips, and so let's just say I have about 32 pips in this week, and I think that is a good recovery for last week's loss. Okay, and for GJ, remember GJ is our swinging entry. Okay, we use the swinging entry for GJ, of which I usually take the entry from the 2-hour time frame, and I draw the liquidity trend line on the 4-hour time frame. So if you look closely, you see that it was a good entry, but price got induced before it went up, so it's a loss, and we're going to be expecting a recovery entry which will be coming up shortly, and we will be would have dealt with that already. Okay, so this is volatility 25. It kept on declining just after this perfect entry. Okay, and we haven't gotten anyone since then. And then we have jump 25, which is the final synthetic for this particular weekly review. So we caught this for jump 25, and it was excellent, and it hit take profit. So for those of you in the free community, take advantage of GBP USD, GBP JPY, that's GJ. Take advantage of volatility 25, jump 25. Listen, these are my most excellent pairs in synthetics because I've spent years trading them, and I'm sure you're going to gain a lot from it. Watch out for our weekly analysis and get ready for a new week. Make sure you are reading, studying, and backtesting. See you soon.